Hey, let me show you a preview of the all gestures that you can use on the Pixel 8a. So let me show you how we can access this feature. We have to go to the settings, now scroll all the way down, select system, and now we have to go for the gestures. And first we can find the quick tap to start actions. So we can take the screenshot, take a look, there's the list of all available actions, even we can open an application. So let's say that I want to quickly open application by this gesture. It doesn't work. Let's try one more time. There we go. So there's the first one. The next one will be quickly open the camera by quickly pressing two times power button. There we go. Another one, it's flip camera for selfie. So let's open the camera. As you can see, it's actually flipping. We cannot actually go forward, I mean to the back camera, but we can quickly switch to the selfie camera thanks to this gesture. But it looks like it's not working always. Okay, right now it works. Next we can find tap to check the phone. So when the screen is turned off, we can just click on it once to activate the screen. There we go. The next option, we've got lift to check the phone. So when you turn off the screen like this, and then when you grab the phone, it should actually turn on and it's working. Another option is the one-handed mode. There we go. You can also bring it with the gesture by pulling screen into reach. Right here we've got flip to so it's actually enabled the do not disturb mode. When you actually put your phone on the flat surface like this, you will feel gentle vibration after a few moments, and it means that the do not disturb mode is turned on. And the last function is about the press and hold power button. So as a default, it's actually linked to the Google Assistant, and when you click and hold it, you will wake the voice assistant. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.